Now, Gary, you don't do it the way others do, which is why we love you, frankly. And one of the things I thought you pointed out was that you have a great take on society. For instance, you said that why do people pay a bunch of strangers, influencers, to say they love your brand on TikTok? I mean, we all are phony. Something happened. What happened to make it so that absurd things like that actually have some cogency?
Look, we're in a world. There's an explosion of social media. There's the digital visualization and connectivity is real. But the great brands that stand the test of time, they earn it, right? And they tell the truth. And having fake fans and people you pay to talk about you on Instagram or TikTok or whatnot, it's not the truth. Like, we don't have a marketing department. We have a truth group in our company. And I tell everybody, like, look, if people aren't talking about us, if people aren't interested in our brand, don't go pay them to talk about us. Let's do better work. Let's do inspiring work and let the world talk about us. So we don't have an Instagram account. We don't have a Pinterest account. We're, not on TikTok or any of these yet. We're the most Instagram brand of our kind in the world. We're the most pinned brand of our kind in the world because we're doing work that other people are talking about. So the key is where do you want to focus your time and your money? I don't want to sit here and think about what pictures are we going to put up on Instagram next week. Let's talk about the product. Let's talk about the platform. Let's talk about creating authentic connections with consumers, and let's just tell the truth. Okay? Let's not let somebody else that we don't really know make things up. Somebody who's talking about 100 brands being paid to, get up there and unbox something, for God's sake. I mean, it's a different world. And again, you can't be a leader if you follow the crowd. You have to, you have to take the path, the road less traveled, and you have to define your brand your way, and not try to let somebody who's trying to define hundreds of brands also define yours.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.